Hi everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to create this hamburger menu in Framer. So first we will create the labels. Let's select the frame. Now let's type inside home. Select the frame, call it label. Then put the width and the height to fit content. Add a padding of 8 pixels. For the right and for the left I will add 14 pixels. Then increase the radius. Now let's change the color to black and the text color to white. Duplicate this 3 more times. Change the label to work, this one to pricing, and this one to careers. Alright, next let's create this icon right here. So I will create another frame, make it the same height, increase the radius, make it a circle. Let's create 2 frames inside, 2 pixels tall, duplicate it, 4 pixels gap, make sure it's centered. Now call this icon, right click, create a component, then click on hover and make it a plus icon, center it, and now create one more variant which is gonna be the close variant. So this one is gonna be an X, therefore we are gonna use 45 degrees and minus 45 degrees. Again, let's center it, and it is it. Let's go back to canvas, put them together, and now let's put them inside a stack. Press Ctrl Alt Enter to put them inside a stack. Select the icon, move it to the right. I will call the stack wrapper, and I will put the width to fit content. Add a gap of 8 pixels. Right click, create a component, and then create a new variant. I'm gonna select the first variant, and now I will change the width of the stack from fit to fixed. Then I will select the labels and switch the position from relative to absolute. Move them outside the canvas like this, and then select the variant. Let's put a distribution to end. Select the second variant, select the labels again, bring them inside like this. Now select the icon, drag it to the second variant and make sure it's on click. Then select the second variant and drag it to the first variant, and again it should be on click as well. Let's go back to home. So let me put a frame inside the breakpoint. It's gonna be orange, so that we can see exactly what's going on. Change the position to absolute at the top, and now I will drag this hamburger menu inside this frame and put it to the right. Add a padding of 32 and 32 pixels, and let's test it out. As you can see, we have nice hover, and when we click, the labels appear. However, as you can see, they come on top of this icon. So let's fix it out. I'm gonna select this icon, click on styles and then click on Z index, type in 2 and let's test it out. Voila, now it's below the icon. Okay, so I forgot for the second variant to select the variant number 2, which is the exit icon. And now when we preview it, voila. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.